The app that I will be reviewing is called Counting Together. Counting Together is used to teach young learners key math skills such as addition and subtracting. After reading the article Apps in the Classroom, I learned of the 5 key components an app must contain in order to be successful in the classroom. The 5 key components are engagement, developmental appropriateness, instructional design, motivation, and accessibility. The first of the 5 components is engagement. In order to determine if Counting Together is engaging for students, we will explore the following questions. Is the app inviting and does it give a good first impression? Is the app intuitive? Is the app one that the students will return to often? Does the app open up new ways to learn? How does it let students do things they haven't been able to do before? When the app Counting Together is first opened, it is inviting and gives a great first impression. Upon opening the app, a video is played to capture the attention of the students and to set the stage for the dinosaur-themed game. After the video, the opening screen is full of color and gives the option of choosing from levels 1 through 3. Students are also given the option to learn, where students are untimed, play, where a group or individual can race against the clock, or students can compete, where the first player with the correct answer gets the point. This is an app students will return to often because students are learning by playing a game where they can play against their peers or they can play individually, whichever they prefer. The app helps students develop addition and subtracting skills. Some students may start out counting each individual object, then move to counting the objects in each box, and then adding them together. As the app encourages students to respond faster, students are pushed to increase their skills in subtracting. The second key component is developmental appropriateness. To determine if Counting Together is developmentally appropriate, I will touch upon the following questions. Is the user interface age appropriate? Does the subject matter appeal to the intended grade level? And does the design appeal to the intended grade level? The user interface is age appropriate for kindergarten and first graders. It is easy to use and the colorful and interactive interface draws in students at this level. The subject matter is extremely important for students at this level to master. The third component is instructional design, where we will explore the following questions. Does the app effectively communicate its subject matter? Does the app align to your learning goals for the students? Does the app have a specific purpose and how does it achieve that? How does the app build on skills and guide the student? And does the app offer personalized or adaptive features based on the student's skill level? The app effectively communicates addition and subtracting, and it aligns to my learning goals for math support students in increasing their basic math skills. Counting Together has been specifically designed to increase students' addition and subtracting skills by encouraging students to subtract before adding groups of objects. The app offers personalized and adaptive features based on the student's skill level. As the player chooses correct responses, the game speeds up. However, when a student chooses incorrect responses, it slows down to meet the needs of each player. The fourth component is motivation. The following questions will be explored. Is the learning content in the app the right level for your students? Will the students want to go back to the app often? Are gaming principles used? Do the methods used to motivate align with your learning goals? Does the motivational potential exceed the potential for distraction? The learning content in the app is the right level for my students in math support. Students will want to go back to the app often because it is a fun way to practice basic math skills while playing a game individually or with a peer. The methods used to motivate students align with my learning goals by giving students positive reinforcement such as points. In my opinion, there is very little room for distraction with this app, and its motivational potential far exceeds any possibility for distraction. The app is motivating for students because they want to beat the clock and improve their speed. The final component is accessibility. The following questions will be explored. Does the app include a range of levels for a variety of users with differing skill levels? And does the app let users personalize the user interface? The app offers 3 levels in order to meet the needs for a variety of learners with differing skill levels. The students can personalize the user interface by entering their name and having it appear on the game screen. After reviewing the app Counting Together based on the 5 key components including engagement, developmental appropriateness, instructional design, motivation, and accessibility, The app appears to be a useful tool to use in the classroom to help kindergarten and first graders with basic addition and subitizing skills.